In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the ceiling mount series. Remove the evaporator grill. Inspect grills for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Replace if missing or damaged. Remove the 2 thumb screws securing the drip tray in place and drop the drip tray. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Remove the thumb screw from the condensate reservoir bracket. Disconnect the reservoir from the pump and drop it down for service. Inspect condensate pump. Clean pump reservoir and water sensor. Repair or replace to ensure proper operation. Reinstall the reservoir after cleaning. Remove the 2 screws securing the electrical panel cover in place. Remove the thumb screw and drop down the electrical panel. Remove the electrical box cover. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Reinstall electrical box cover. Reinstall electrical panel. Reinstall electrical panel cover. Clean the drip tray and insert pan tablets. Prior to performing condensate test, ensure the system has power and the keypad is set to off. Perform condensate drain test to verify proper drainage. Verify the condensate pump is operating correctly and removing water from the system. Reinstall the evaporator grill. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the fan is running. Check voltage and amperage of the equipment. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB1 and PB2 temperatures. Check bottle probe condition. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle.